Hey everyone, if you are looking to cancel your Okcupid subscription and avoid any future charges, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down how to do it whether you subscribed through the App Store, Google Play or directly through the website. So let's get into it. If you subscribe to the Apple App Store, here's how to cancel. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app, and tap your name at the top, then select iTunes and App Store. Then tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, choose View Apple ID, then tap Subscriptions, find your Okcupid subscription and tap Cancel Subscription. Remember, your subscription will stop at the end of the current billing cycle. Apple doesn't allow Okcupid to cancel the subscription directly, so if you are having trouble, you will need to contact iTunes support. If you are subscribed through Google Play, follow these steps. First, visit play.google.com/store/account on your phone or computer. Find the subscription you want to cancel. Then click Cancel Subscription and confirm. If you purchase via Google Play and check your Okcupid app settings, it should look something like this. If you paid via credit card or PayPal directly on the Okcupid website, log into your Okcupid account on a web browser. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner, select Settings and then Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. If you are using the app but don't see an option to cancel it in iTunes or Google Play, you likely use a credit card or PayPal, which means you will need to cancel through the website. Alright, that's it. If this guide helpful you out, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips.